You come to college to be exposed to different viewpoints, but what about people who are advocating violence? Should there be any limit to free speech on campus? Let's start things off with Gabriel at Vanderbilt University.
In order to get a better understanding of certain issues, you must have a full spectrum of different opinions.
If people don't agree with it, they don't have to go to listen to the speaker.
I feel like free expression is of course our right, but at the same time we need to come up with better ways other than resorting to violence.
George Bush advocates violence, but there's not in this country.
I don't think it's a proper way to express what a student believes in through violence. It impacts other people who aren't concerned with the issues.
I personally am opposed to violence, and I don't think it's an effective means of solving anything. So anyone who is advocating for it is going to be undermining themselves ultimately.
I think, there could be a question raised about, university money going to a controversial or illegal speaker, but I definitely support their right to express their opinions.
Seems like most of you agree that free speech should be just that, free.